A man barricaded himself inside a home and set it on fire. Let's get the latest from RTV6's Julie Persley.
Fire. Fire. Say it so loud. Fire.
So here we go, baby.
This time I'ma let it all come out. This time I'ma stand up and shout. I'ma do things my way. It's my way or the highway. This time I'ma let it all come out. This time I'ma stand up and shout. I'ma do things my way. It's my way or the highway.
Oh man, the first one, man. Like I can't do no fucking wheelies on the street, but I can do them in the lot, man. What's up with that? I'm about to go ham, man. I gotta learn how to do these street wheelies. I gotta learn how to do these fucking street wheelies, guys. Don't mind me. But I mean, I could do the lot. But when you're out here in the street, man, it's a different speed, it's a different animal. And I want to ride with y'all niggas, man. So gotta practice, man. That's what it is. Accept that shit. Damn, second gear feels so violent, baby. Come on, man. I know I can do that. I know I could do that bullshit. Just gotta practice. Until you get it right. Until you get it right. Alright guys, I'm out here on the street, away from cars of course. I'm trying to get my own solo dolo time out here on the street because I need to practice on my street wheelies, man. Second gear feels like it's intense to me. I'm hearing a lot of niggas do that shit in first gear on the street anyways. So, hey man, don't nobody want to see somebody doing the motherfucking street wheelie and garbage as fuck, right? So I gotta get my shit in, boy. That was horrible as fuck. Struggling. I'm about to go to my spot. The only issue I'm having right now is I cannot do wheelies on the street to save my fucking life. And that's where it's at, baby. That's where all the fun is at. But I can come out here and whip this hoe. Like that. I can whip this hoe just like that, man. Fuck, man. I'm in complete control now. But why can't I do wheelies on the street, man? If there's any stunt guys out there, please help Juicer out. I am asking for help right now. I know it's all practice, seat time, but how the fuck do you really practice on the fucking street? Is there anybody else out there who rides stunt bikes on a regular basis? Like, motherfucker, do you have some good streets, like a long ass street? Somebody, please help your boy. God damn, it's taking forever to get down there. Yeah, bitch, I'm a wild boy.
Shake cooking shit, one throw, one nigga flood the block. If I don't go to jail, niggas birds gon' flock.
Oh, I almost fell off that bitch. I felt the power of that 36. Of that 36. Yeah, of that 36. Of that 36. Who thought I couldn't do it? Look at that. Slowing my shit down on wheel, bitch. I'm jabbing this goddamn brake and I'm riding that hoe. I'm riding that bitch like your baby mama. Like your baby mama, baby mama. Go to that pole over there. I'm doing it, y'all. I just called that shit out. I didn't make none of that shit up, man.
Yeah! Wheelie, all day, every day. Welcome to this channel, baby. Welcome to this channel. Houston, Texas, born and raised. All day, every day. Get paid.
Texas tatted on.